no ID, red. I tried last year. My friend Fred have it. I like it. I love it. I love it. And I
This
have the
is the-
cutting.
Oh, this is the cutting that you gave me? You
No.
no?
No,
That was
because I just
no
have
idea.
cutting. I don't have. This is. I have more than one
anything
ID.
like that. This one
Yeah.
doesn't taste anything.
Yeah. This is. I like it last
got a
year.
little bit of
He bring me
raspberry to it.
one, and now we're gonna test it again.
I hope it's good because
Yeah. Wow.
Red
Red.
one.
It's a red. Yes.
Oh, it's very juicy already.
Wow.
in the picture. I just taste one because I eat
Oh,
this.
you
I
know.
know what it tastes like. I want to test out what the score is.
Oh, this is completely different. What is that?
This is mixed between Valdivia Roja and like G1.
But this
Less flavor, slightly less
unique
flavor.
aftertaste.
Last year I have more flavor.
Yeah, I have one that was crack, and that was better than this. This is not as sweet.
But it's very different.
Yeah, you can tell. This is combined.
I'll get you another one when it's ready. Then the second wave, right? This is not because I was tasting the one that I have yesterday. That's better than this. Yeah.
Did you water them like what every week?
Every
Because-
day I put a little bit of water in there.
A little bit water, because this is what happened. When you water them, the water go to the fruit. They said don't, if you want to pick up the fruit, don't water the night before,
Yeah, that makes
because
sense.
they go to the
Diluted.
flavor.
Yeah.
The water go. I think we test one or two like this
Yeah.
here.
I cut back on the water now because as they grow bigger, they
They-
start crack.
they
cracking.
crack when you-
Yeah. So
yeah.
I know that was too much water.
It's hard to control.
Rich like
Yes, it's hard to control the water because they need the water,
Yeah.
but not too much water. Sometimes I use the machine to see if they are wet. I pour it. If they are wet, I don't pour it.
Yeah.
yeah, I
But
use
to
that
go
little thing.
around that, around all
Oh,
that,
that's too many. Yeah.
you know, it is. Yeah, it take a lot of effort,
Yeah.
a lot of that. It's not easy to control all that, especially if you wanna keep up with the variety, with the time,
But
with
it
the
had a very
pollination.
unusual aftertaste, like
Yeah.
Yeah,
peppermint
it is nice.
or some.
I think this is
kinda-
It's supposed to-
16.
Yeah,
So it's
I
like
think
a
15,
berry
16.
flavor.
16.
But for some reason I didn't get it from this year, but
Wow. It's
18.
18.
Yeah.
Very nice.
I
It
didn't-
did taste sweet at like the first bite.
Yeah, it is. Yeah, when you first bite,
Yeah.
exactly. Yeah, and then you feel like, oh,
And then
it's juicy. It's have
this
too
one
much.
is a lot more sweeter in the middle than the outside. There's a big difference.
Yeah.
Most of the fruit like this.
Yeah, but this one more different.